Okay, so question 11 was as follows. The diagram below shows the position of towns A, B, and C on the Earth surface. Any ACS is the prime meridian. Okay. A ship takes 26 hours to travel from B to C, a distance of 1,560 nautical miles. Find the speed of the ship in knots. Okay, so this is the first question. So the first thing we need to do is we need to study the diagram. We take note of important key points, and you make sure that you can get some information from the diagram. Okay, so how do we find the speed of the ship? So we know that the formula for speed is S is equal to distance, which is speed is equal to distance over time. Okay, now we can say equal to, so what is the distance given? So when you go to the statement in the question, you see we are given this 1,500, right? And it is in nautical miles. 1,000, which is in nautical miles. So the distance is 1,560 nautical miles, which will be over. Now we look at time. What is the time? We can also see that time is also given, which is here, which is 26 hours. So we're given 26 hours. So we're going to say over 26 hours. Okay, then we're going to divide 26 hours divided by 26, which will be 1. Then when we divide 1,560 by 26, it will give us 60. Now this 60 should be 60 knots. So this is the speed of the ship. It moved at 60 knots. Okay. So question B was, if the local time at A is 10:30 hours, find the local time at B. Okay. So I'm sure you're able to see where town B and A is. So let's identify where these two towns are. So town A is CA and town B is CA. Okay. Now, even if their location are on different latitudes, you can see also that the distance between them using longitude is the same. Okay, so this town A, we can take it that it is on the same longitude, which is 0 degrees. So we can even say it is in this area. Okay, so you can see that town C and town A, they are sharing the same longitude. That means they're even sharing the same time. Okay, so we can say that the difference between these two towns, which is town A and B, is 30 degrees. Okay, this town, they are apart, and their distance, the difference in distance is 30 degrees. So we should also know that, we should also take note that every after 15 degrees, there is 1 hour. So if two towns are 15 degrees in longitude difference, that means they have got 15, they have got 1 hour apart. Okay, so if a town is on 0 degrees and the other one is on 15 degrees, that means the time on 0 degrees will be higher than this one, which is on the 1 or 15 degrees, depending on the sides. If it's on the left side, it will be lower by 1 hour, and this on the right side, it will be higher by 1 hour. Okay, so what we are saying here is this. We are saying that B is on the left side of A. That means town B is behind by 2 hours by town A. Okay, or town A is ahead by 2 hours of the time at B. Okay, so to do this, what we're going to do is, now we know that if two towns are apart by 30 degrees, that means their time difference is 2 hours. Therefore, we are going to subtract 2 hours from 10:30 hours. Why? Because town B is on the left side of the town A. That means we're going to subtract. If town B was on the right side, we could have added 2 hours to the time of town A. Now, since it's on the left side, we're going to subtract. So we're going to write, we're going to write 10:30 hours minus 2 hours. This 2 hours is the time difference between town A and town B. So when we subtract that, we are going to have, so when we subtract 2 hours from 10:30 hours, it's going to give us 8:30 hours. So 8:30 hours, this is the time of town B. 08:30 hours is the time of town B. So the time at town B is 08:30 hours. Okay, so basically that's what you are supposed to do. Let's go to the next question.